Welcome to SunPower Pro Tips. This video will demonstrate installing the PV Supervisor, or PVS. You'll need the PVS mounting bracket and hardware appropriate for the wall you are mounting the PVS on. The mounting hardware must support at least 15 pounds. You'll also need a level, a torpedo level, a drill with a bit that supports your wall type and installation hardware, a Phillips screwdriver, tape measure, and pencil. Select a location that is not in direct sunlight. Measure out where the PVS fits and complies with NEC 110.26 for working clearances and meets the spacing requirements of your authority-having jurisdiction. Use a torpedo level to level the PVS bracket before screwing it to the wall. Note that the arrow on the bracket should point up. Slide the PVS onto the bracket from the top down. Make sure to align the attachment holes between the PVS and the bracket. Secure the PVS to the bracket with 2 supplied screws. Done! Thanks for watching this training video. To learn more, check out the description for links to helpful resources and other training videos.